Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. In today's video, I'll be reviewing this Aramid Fiber, very minimalistic case from Thinborne for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. I need to give a shout out to them for sending this case out to me for review. If you want to pick this case up, I will have links in the description. You can pick it up from their website. Helps them out, also helps me out. If you want to support a small case company in Texas, please do so. Like we normally do in my reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Does it add bulk? Is it really a minimalistic case? Does everything fit well? You know, how much protection would you get from this case if you drop it? Also, how strong is the magnet? The overall fit? You know, just the normal things you look for in a case video. Shout out to Call for actually sending this out to me. But they also put a whole, like, complete package in here. You get a screen protector also with the installation guide plus the case. So a lot of case companies don't do that. So shout them out for actually doing that too. Nice presentation from them. But you get a lot of information in here. I mean, you get a bunch of information. Like I said, you get screen protector, you get the wipes and stuff. I don't usually install the screen protector because I already have one on there, but just knowing that you get it on there is pretty cool. So here's the case. You have a little logo there, that Aramid Fiber design. Bam. This side is protected. I mean, it feels great. Definitely, let's try this out. Man, look how good this thing fits. Snaps it in there. Bam. So the power button and the vine rockers are open. You have a little open port there for the charging port, the microphone, and also the speaker. All look great. The microphone at the top. Bam. Look at the camera protection you get too. You got camera protection there. Now, you don't really get any type of lip protection. So again, use that screen protector that they have in the case. So that way, if you drop it, you have some type of protection. I do like how that is all closed off. So, is it minimalistic? Yes. This is very minimalistic case. Doesn't feel like you have a case on your phone at all. Doesn't have bulk. So again, if you don't drop your phone a lot, if you don't get out the house a lot, and you want just a simple case to protect it from laying it down or keeping your screen or your back of your phone protected around the house, then this is something that you can rock. You know, this is something that you can use every single day. As soon as I get home, this is the type of case that I usually put on when I'm just rocking it around the house. Because it's just simple, doesn't feel like you really have a case on there, and you can use this every single day too. Now the overall fit, I mean, y'all heard it snap, so yeah, it's gonna take some work to get this phone out of this case. So definitely it's gonna fit really well. The next thing we want to check is the overall size or the strength of the magnet. Let's see, lower the brightness. That phone gets bright too. So we want to just check out the overall strength of this magnet here. You can wireless charge, as you can tell there. And it didn't pull it on. Yeah, see? Man. So this is what I'm always judging now. How hard is it for me to pull the phone, the charging plug out? I mean, look. It takes some strength. So this is probably, they have some of the strongest magnets on their cases. I don't know if you've seen my review for the iPhone case. It's the same way. So So if you have this on there, like, it is going to take some work to really get that off. So again, heavy battery packs, if you live on a country road and you've gone through some bumps, if you have it on like a little, you know, car holder, it's not going to fall off. It is just going to stay on there and really be strong. So I love that the strength of that magnet is probably one of the best out there too. So man, look at that case. Again, if you have the Pixel 9 Pro XL, I highly recommend picking up this case. I will have the links in the description so that way you can pick it up, support them, also support, you know, the channel. Everything that I make on these cases and everything else that I make on the channel, I just put right back into the channel. I buy more phones. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.